I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What's a logical consequence for a student who is capable of completing work but refuses? Not a huge fan of recess loss, free time loss, detentions like that. But I do worry about the child actually being able to demonstrate that they know the concept that I'm teaching. So one of the things we can do is shift from it being consequence to actually using some different language. So I don't say to kids, you owe me time. Kids don't owe me anything. They owe themselves time. I put it back on them. I say to them, hey, listen, you owe yourself some time here because, you were clowning around in class and we got to make sure you know this information. So I want you to give it back to yourself. I want you to be able to stay here for a few minutes before you go out today. Let me know that you know this, okay? I want to know you know this, but this is for you. So again, you don't owe me time. You owe yourself time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.